makulit extremes. Pagka sinabing extremes, andyan yung pinakamabait at andyan din yung pinakamakulit. To all the Moshes, wow, plural. All the luck, kayang-kaya niyo yan. Dapat sabay-sabay kayo to graduate next year and stay cool. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Hi! Hi nako, ang mga mosh! Ano ba masasabi ko sa inyo? Patapos na ang school year. Marami kaya na-cleared? Or baka magkikita pa tayo next school year. Anyway, so far, nag-enjoy naman ako sa klase nyo eh. Siyempre, lalo na sa mga presentations, nag-enjoy talaga ako doon. Pero sana, yung academics, magbabalance din. Diba? Para lahat kayo gumraduate next year at magkita-kita tayo ulit. Okay? So, good luck and God bless to all of you. Bye-bye!
Hi, Mosh. As my final words, I've always considered you as one of my best classes. Okay, stay cool, stay as the champion, always stay as the champion, and always give your best. Okay, I just hope that once you meet Angelico, you will always remember that there is one girl who has always considered you as the best.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang ang ate ng bugaling ko. Survive. Lahat ng aatehan nasa ops. Pero anyway, good luck. Be sure na nag-graduate kayo sabay-sabay first batch. And congrats.
Hello, hi, klase well, ano naman yung batch na to, ang klase to, palaban. Remember the speech choir competition? Well, we won, diba? First and second. Natalo pa natin ang, syempre, na highest level, all I have to say is, good luck to your next year, career, once level. And who knows, baka yung iba, will be with you out here. Sana lang, you still have more time to catch up. Sige, galaw ba? Kilos pa. Okay, more power, Sir Mongartes Plan. We love you guys.
Action. Yung unforgettable experience ko, actually marami. Experiences marami. First day pa lang, yung presentation. Tapos yung first week, yung mga pictorial natin. Tapos yung mga marami nating class pick. Tapos yung acquaintance party. Ano din yan, unforgettable din yun. Kasi tayo lang ang klase na nag-party noong foundation day. Tapos, retreat, recollection natin, especially yung video okay sa bus, yung kumanta ng Top 6, Regina, at kumanta si Daisy, biglang umulan. Tapos, yung Christmas party, lahat, youth rounds, pero hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung speech choir, kasi talagang ang dami ng hirap natin doon, plus kahit hindi tayo nag-champion, talagang tuwan-tuwa tayo. Talagang na-appreciate natin yung magkapanalo natin. So, message ko, sana huwag niyo makalimutan yung slogan natin, which is passion for excellence. Kasi yun naman essence ng Moshe, na pag gusto natin talaga, pag gusto natin isang bagay, talagang nag-work tayo, talagang binibigay natin lahat para ma-accomplish natin yung goal natin. Sana pagdating nyo ng 4th year, pagdating nyo ng college, o nagtrabaho kayo, sana ganun pa yung thinking nyo na lahat ng gagawin nyo, ibibigay nyo yung best. So, good luck na lang pagdating ng 4th year, sana dumating ka. Saka, huwag nyo makalimutan, sana next year, pag may moderatorship class ako, sana huwag nyo ibubu pag nag-present sila sa gym or sa kahit anong presentation. So, yun lang. Good luck na sa lahat. Bye.